kuri Maasai Mara ni kuongiona nyamu iria nene muno kana big five na ihenya tathikiriria.
This the Mara is one of the places that you can only see the big five within a short time of maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. You have seen everything, so this is the best place to be.
Akiaria na andikia ugitiri ni mugacerithie na njira nene na moka gwikenera hatiri undu ukumagagia.
I'm welcoming all our international and local tourists to the Maasai Mara National Reserve to come and witness and enjoy the wildlife, enjoy their stay. The Mara is very safe. We do patrol on a daily basis around the clock, day and night, to make sure the protection of visitors and wildlife is taken care of.
Oho niongereire ati mari na makiria ma maabitha 300 a nyamu cia githaka na koguo ugitiri ni mugacirithie uria kwagiriire.
We have 300 and above rangers within the reserve.
Na Steven marina unyitaniri na thirikari nene ni matigireire ni kuri na uthii wa na mbere Runyanjara-ini ruru na gutigirira ageendi ni megukenerera icera riao.
We have planned as a county government to make sure things are taken care of, and we are doing a lot inside the park. We are doing road networks. We are doing all infrastructure, including the rangers houses, including the roads. We want to make sure the comfortability of the visitor is well taken care of.
Ino ni ndumiriri ya Steven kuri ageendi othe kuma guku bururiini wa Kenya nginyagia itoka ciaguo gutigirira ni mathikira mawatho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni Runyanjara ruru.
The wildlife are not harassed.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV nie njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.